Maize or corn marketing secret for maximum profit. Number 1. That is understanding corn markets and price dynamics. Building marketing foundation through market intelligence. Before marketing your first bushel of corn, before deciding when to sell, before investing in storage facilities or developing value-added products, you must develop comprehensive understanding of corn markets, price formation mechanisms, seasonal patterns, factors driving price movements, and the structure of grain marketing channels in your region and globally. The corn farmers who achieve consistent marketing success are those who invest serious time and effort in market education and intelligence gathering. Understanding that knowledge of market dynamics is as important as agronomic knowledge for business success. Too many farmers focus exclusively on production, mastering hybrid selection, fertility management, pest control, and yield optimization, while remaining remarkably ignorant about the market where they will sell their production. This imbalance creates vulnerability because even excellent production becomes financially disappointing when marketed poorly due to lack of market understanding. Therefore, corn marketing channels vary significantly depending on your production scale, location, and market access, but several fundamental market types exist globally. Commodity grain markets represent the dominant marketing channel for most commercial corn production, where standardized Number 2, yellow field corn, oro regional equivalents, is traded based on moisture content, test weight, and foreign material standards, with prices determined by supply-demand dynamics in competitive markets. In developed markets, like in the United States, commodity corn is typically sold to local grain elevators, cooperatives, or river terminals that aggregate grain for downstream processing or export, while local prices, called basis, determined by futures market prices, Chicago Board of Trade corn features, plus or minus a local basis reflecting transportation costs, local supply-demand conditions, and seasonal factors. In developing markets, commodity corn might be sold to government marketing boards, private traders, processors, or informal markets with prices influenced by government policies. Import or export dynamics, and regional supply conditions. Understanding how prices are established in your specific market context is fundamental. You cannot market effectively without knowing how prices are determined and what factors influence them. Specialty corn markets exist for specific corn types, serving distinct end users and often commanding significant price premiums over commodity corn. Food-grade white corn, used for tortillas, chips, hominy, and other human food products, typically commands between $0.3 to $0.8 per bushel. That is premiums over yellow field corn due to specific quality requirements and more limited production. Popcorn, commands dramatic premiums of between $6 to $12 per bushel or more versus between $4 to $5 for commodity corn. Due to specific variety requirements, specialized production practices, and value in food markets, sweet corn for fresh consumption or processing commands between $100 to $250 per ton or more depending on quality and market, representing multiples of field corn value. High oil corn containing elevated oil content for livestock feed efficiency commands between $0.2 to $0.4 per bushel premiums. Organic corn meeting organic certification standards commands premiums of between $2 to $5 per bushel or more, reflecting higher production costs, limited supply, and premium end markets. Non-GMO identity preserved corns preserved corn commands between $0.5 to $2.0 per bushel premiums, serving export markets with GMO restrictions or domestic consumers preferring non-GMO products. These specialty markets require different production practices, often require forward contracts before planting, and serve specific buyer segments, but can dramatically improve profitability for farmers willing to sell their requirements. Local direct markets exist in many regions where farmers can sell corn directly to livestock producers, small-scale processors, or consumers, often capturing better prices than commodity channels while eliminating middleman margins. Selling corn directly to local livestock producers like dairy farms, beef operations, hog farms, or poultry operations for on-farm fixed mixing can generate between $0.3 to $0.8 per bushel premiums over elevator prices because buyers value convenience of local supply. Farmers eliminate transportation and handling costs, and both parties benefit from eliminating middleman margins. Selling to small-scale processors like local mills producing cornmeal, livestock feed manufacturers, ethanol plants can provide similar benefits. Selling directly to consumers through farmers markets, farm stores, or online platforms, discussed more in direct marketing section. Please go and watch that. Can multiply returns dramatically for specialty corn types like popcorn or cornmeal. Consider seasonal price patterns in corn markets. Seasonal price patterns in corn markets are remarkably consistent and predictable, creating opportunities for farmers who understand and position themselves to exploit these patterns. During harvest season, when millions of acres are harvested simultaneously, creating temporary supply peak, prices typically decline to annual lows as grain elevators and storage facilities fill rapidly. Buyers face abundant supply, and farmers lacking storage must sell immediately. Historical data shows harvest time prices, that is between September to November in Northern Hemisphere, typically represent the annual low, often between $0.3 to $1.0 per bushel or more below prices 4 to 6 months later. As the harvest season concludes and millions of bushels move from field to storage, price pressure eases. Through winter months, as stored grain is gradually consumed for livestock feed, food processing, industrial uses, and exports, available supplies diminish progressively. By late winter and early spring, between February and May, before the next planting season, prices typically recover towards annual highest as remaining stock tighten. Buyers now start competing for the limited supplies and uncertainty about upcoming crop condition emergencies. This seasonal pattern creates clear marketing strategy. Farmers with storage capacity should generally avoid selling at harvest lows, instead holding grain through the harvest glut and selling during the late winter or early spring seasonal price recovery. Obviously, this strategy requires storage facilities and working capital to carry grain for months, but the price improvement typically justifies this investment. How about price volatility? Price volatility and risk management represents critical considerations in corn marketing because price movements of between 0.5 to $2.0 per bushel are common within single growing seasons, and occasional extreme movements exceeding between $3 to $4 per bushel occurring during supply disruptions or demand shocks. A farmer producing 50,000 bushels experiencing just a $0.5 per bushel adverse price movement faces $25,000 income loss, potentially the difference between profitable and unprofitable seasons. Therefore, understanding sources of price volatility, like weather affecting yields domestically and globally, currency movements affecting export competitiveness, energy prices affecting demand from ethanol power plants, government policy changes affecting supply or demand, global trade dynamics affecting exports and imports help farmers anticipate potential price movements and implement risk management strategies. Tools for managing price risk include forward contracts, selling future production at fixed prices before harvest, futures and options contracts, that is sophisticated financial instruments allowing price protection, crop revenue resistance, that is government subsidized insurance protection against combined yield and price losses, and diversified marketing, that is selling portions of production at different times rather than entire crop in single transaction. Understanding these risk management tools and implementing appropriate strategies for your situation is essential for sustainable market success. MAIZE or corn marketing secret for maximum profit. Number 2, on the link below or on the video displayed on your screen to watch this very inspiring profit-making secret. Thank you.